All right, we're here a little early and we're on live YouTube. I'm going to share this in a minute. Where's my YouTube thing? This is right. Hey, welcome. All right, welcome, welcome, welcome. All right, I don't need to know all that junk. Take a tour. DocX, I got you. Yeah. Convert to Google Docs, I got you. Manage versions, I got you. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So prepare your training org. We're not going to do, except my buddy found the link. Where do I find it now? My bookmarks. There's a on my channel when she's gone. Who's there? Somebody's here. Fireflies, you don't need to be here twice. I don't know which one you are. Don't need you twice. All right. So here we are. Just got finished teaching all day, day one of the Admin 201 class. But I said, platform app builders, what I would do is go through the exercises, and you're going to see that in just a minute. So here we are. We're going to go through most of these exercises. We're just going to knock them out one at a time. Prepare your training org. Now, I don't have a training org for you, but I think for the most part, I'm going to walk you through because I got to go find the link. I put it in the earlier videos, and I got to go back and find it because I just got finished. My channel, probably didn't need to go there. Probably could just went to my channel, right? Getting there. Here's my live. See if I got the details here. All right. So here, come on now. So the first thing we're going to do is get you set up with a free demo org. And the way that works, I'm going to put it in the chat if you join us. I don't want that. I want my live. Where's my live? Where am I live right now, man? Yeah. Putting it in the chat. Here's your first link. Here's where you're going to go. So we're going to set up a free trial account. All right, just got to fill in your name and all the goodies. I'm going to do my Dominic X plus Dex. Training course name. Is that the one I want? I don't want that one. I want building applications. See if that helps. Oh, I forgot to see which one it might be. I'm not a robot. Start my free trial. So go through all of that. Click start your free trial. I think this is the right one. I think. I'm going to find out in just a minute. Yeah, I'm waiting to get my link. My trial's on the way. Hmm. It's taking a minute. I don't know why. Oh, let me check my spam folder because it's taking longer than a few minutes, right? It's gonna get rid of all my daggum. And I think this one might actually be helpful for you guys. Partner ecosystem. Hmm. Junk still coming in, so I know. There it is. Welcome to Salesforce. Da-da, da-da. Got to get that username. I click verify account. It's going to pop in here. I got to put in my password. All right. Yay, let's see if this is the one. I don't know for sure, but it might be. All right, so here we go. We just prepared our org for training. You got the link. I think you need to pick building apps on force.com, but I don't know for sure. Let's see if I picked the right one. We will check the company name. I don't think we got it right, but it's not bad. Always close that banner in Classic. Always. Never leave a banner open in Classic. You need the real estate too bad. Let's see if we're universal containers or not. Oh, we're the UPS company. Oh, no. All right, so this wasn't the one. But you know what? I'm going to pick the one. Let's try it. Building applications 2. I'm going to say Administrative Essentials. It'll take a few minutes, so we'll just get started. Just don't worry. It'll be fine. All right, so we're going to go right to no, not there. Page 6. Okay, let's go to page 6. All right, we're going to create a developer sandbox. Name it test.org. Okay, let's see if we can go do that. I might change. I don't know. We'll see. We'll do. So it's not the right org for sure. And I'm sorry about that. Let's see if that's right. Okay. Now, the exercise is create a develop. We could do this though, right? We could create one called test org, even if the new one doesn't come in yet. Takes a few minutes to get it. That is for sure. All right. Well, let's go in to our company and we got to get the Lightning experience set up. So let's get started with Lightning experience, and maybe that will be changed in a minute. So remember, typically when you move from Classic to Lightning, you got to make sure your org's ready. We know this is ready because there's nothing in it that we did. So let's see, discover phase. There's a couple of buttons we need to push here. Oh. So discover doesn't do anything. I always forget. Rollout. going to turn on the lightning experience. I don't need all the transition. Now I'm checking the other one out just to see if that's the better one. The one where I did the admin. Just got that one. Still a UPS company. So I don't think it matters. Only lasts for 30 days anyway. So let me look at my users. This might be better. Hey, Patrick. How's it going, man? So we're in the exercise. Here's where I got stuck in the exercises, just so it's not your fault. But when you set up a test org at the free training, you've got to pick the right. Do you remember which one of these you picked? So far, I've picked building applications and admin for new admins, and I haven't gotten universal containers. Now it's recognizing me.
The last time I did building applications on force.com.
Did you? Are you sure? All right. We're going to go with that. You know why? Because I don't want to go through all this stuff again. And I've already got a new one I just created. So we are in. This is the admin one. So all good. So either way, I put the link in. We're on the second exercise. So we're in a company that's UPS, not Universal Containers. Right? We look at the company profile. Are you there? You're not there. We lost Fireflies. Oh, too bad. So the company information is UPS company. Darn. The users will be, see who my users are. We might have some of this the right people. We'll see. It doesn't matter that much. The first exercise is to update your first name, last name, and email address on your profile. So we're going to do that the easy way. So first and foremost, what you missed, Patrick, was I just set up a new org on that link that's in the chat for the YouTube. And I activated the Lightning experience because it wasn't active already. Now, I'm not in the Lightning experience because I'm just using the setup to quickly get me started. I wanted to see what the users were. I've already got my name already set up, so that's good. So I don't need to do any of that stuff. So now I'm going to switch to the Lightning experience. And the next task is we're going to create a developer sandbox named test org. Because that's the first exercise if you were taking the class. We'll go to setup. If you went through the Patrick way, the login page and all will be, you'll be already logged in. You just need to remember your username and password.
Yeah, I'm still waiting on my org to show up.
Yeah, it takes a few minutes. So I'm going to just jump in. Now remember, if you're an admin, go to this admin notice and start prioritizing on the idea exchange your vote for ideas that they work on. Otherwise, these guys will work on whatever they think, and that's never good to let developers work on that stuff. Okay. So now I'm going to go to sandboxes. Let's hope I got it set up. Oh, right. We're going to click on sandboxes. Persistent filters on related lists. Really, that's high. Support mass operations, deactivate, delete, replace for pick list values and setup. Really? Web to flow. Okay. You could do that. Additional opportunity forecast category. Why? Look at what's happening when you let them. Oh. Support conditional completion actions in part. Don't. Provide capability to mark address records as inactive. What? Limit number of appointment advisors can book in the future. No. These are bad priorities. These are already controllable for the most part, except persistent filters on related lists. I don't know what that is. You have enhanced related lists. You have column headings for that. Uh-huh. Yeah, they've already got it. Oh. All right. I'm going to go crazy on this one if I don't. All right, so the exercises. Okay, so sandboxes. Woo! We got 40. This is what's important. You have 4 different kind of sandboxes. Full, partial, developer, developer pro. I got 0 available in developer pro. 40 available in developer. Let's see what they want me to create. So we're going to call this test org. I'm going to do a new sandbox. So tell me what kind. Create a developer sandbox. Okay, just making sure. Test org. And then sandbox is used to configure and test changes. I'm creating it from production. And I'm gonna make it a developer and click next. So it's not bringing any data over. Leave Apex blank. And now it takes a minute or two. Let me know when you're done. You got it, Patrick? Not yet. I can't hear you.
I'm in that order. So I just gotta switch to Lightning, I guess. But I can set up the sandbox in Classic, right?
Yeah, did you get your org yet? Okay, yeah, we just set up a classic called test org. That's it. It's the developer one we're using. And that's the first exercise. Woohoo! All right. So we're gonna. All right. So now we're in the class, and we're talking about creating a custom object. If you're currently using a spreadsheet for anything in your organization, stop it. And let's create an object to add it to Salesforce. Whatever you're not tracking, let's track it in Salesforce. We're going to track all positions. All right, so this gave us a couple of requirements, right? So notice what they say. So here, I'm going to post this in the chat so that I can then post it in the description later. Right? This is what we're trying to do. I don't know if all this will fit. Nope. All right. So we're going to go to our setup menu, which we're at right now. I don't know. Are we going to use the box? We got a sandbox. Are we going to use it? Anyway, I reckon not. Okay, so we're going to just jump in and start creating. So here we go in the object manager. I'm going to create a brand new object, not from a spreadsheet, but if we had one, we could. That's an awesome feature for enterprise and professional. We're going to call it position. Whoops, we don't want to use all caps. And the record name is called title. Wait, description. Display type is text. We're going to do text or auto number. So we need to allow reports, allow activities. Allow reports, allow activities. Do we want field history tracking? I always turn it on. Yes. Deployment status is deployed. Allow search. Do we want to add notes and attachments? Not defined. That's what you need to know too. Do you want to add notes and attachments related list to default page layout? And do we want to launch the new custom tab wizard after saving the object? Do we want to launch? Yep. Okay, so that means you can use a wizard to help you. So I'm going to click save. And now the tab wizard is going to pop in, which gives me a tab for the position. So for tab style, we're going to create desk and then next. That means tab style, we're going to choose an icon because they already told us it's desk.
It's very specific.
It doesn't matter. It only matters if we even have, there it is, there's desk. It's used for classic for the most part. Splash page, nope. Need a description. So this is a good little place to make a note. If you're not prompted for the tab style, you might not have selected Launch Tab Wizard. In that case, you got to go to Setup and Tabs, and then in the Custom Object Tab section, click New to add this. But we did, so now we're going to click Next. And now we're going to select which profiles get visibility to this tab. So we're going to apply default off for all profiles.
Default
So
off.
yeah, so that basically it's not on any navigation bar. It's just going to be listed as one of the all items. Now, do we need to change it? All right, so then we're going to, so basically we're turning everybody off first, and then we're going to pick and choose who gets to see the tab. So then the executives get to see the tab, custom HR and system admin get to see the tab. So custom HR. It's a lot easier than turning all of them off, just to have 3 of them on, and then we'll click next.
HR, executive,
And system admin, default on.
okay, so not custom engineer.
Correct. And hit next. And now we're going to add it to the custom apps by deselecting it from all the custom apps. So we don't want this. We're going to have one later for recruiting apps. And we'll add this tab to the recruiting app, but none of the other tabs need to see recruiting. You had an executive app? Maybe. So we created the object. We haven't done anything else to it yet, but we're good to go. All right, so we created the new object. Now we got to create some fields. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to set up some custom fields. We're going to add to the position and candidate custom object. So I may not have the candidate custom object on it. Let me see. Yeah, we do. Look at that. Score and position, double score. What's your question?
They may have changed the names of users or whatever, but the objects definitely matched up when I was doing this before.
Yeah, it definitely does. So we're good. So for department, because we're going to reuse, we're going to add some custom fields. But the first thing we're going to do, here's our 4 tasks. And I'm going to put this next. See if I can grab all these. Goal. Damn. So the goal, this is the goal, and these are our tasks. So if you have it in the chat.
Are you putting that in the YouTube chat or in this
Yeah,
chat?
I'm putting it in the YouTube chat. Are you on the YouTube channel?
No.
I'll put it in the chat. And I'm
Or
doing
if you
that.
want to just, I mean, if you want to just not send me this file.
I can't. Not legally.
Workforce development.
But wait, that's true. You work for me, so I can. So I'm going to put that in here.
As long as you don't fire me for my internship for being 15 minutes late today.
Yeah, I should have, right? I should have definitely done that. I actually shared that. Hold on. Don't use that one I just shared. I don't think you'll get access to it anyway. So let me. All right, hang on. Let me just get this.
Patrick213@gmail.com.
I know. I gotta get it out of this. I put it in the wrong org when I saved it. It's coming. All right, so we're gonna create a global pick list value set for department because we're gonna use department in a couple of different places. I don't know why you're doing this, man.
What am I doing?
Not you, me. See, I'm in. Sorry about
Yeah, I
this.
can keep following along. It's fine.
What's that?
I can keep following along. It's fine. It's
Yeah, no, I'm
kinda
gonna.
tricky to.
No, I got you. Hang on, just hang on a second. I'll get you what you need because you're right. You do work. This is your workforce development. We're just sharing with the world so y'all can watch. You can watch us build the army of part-time consultants that are going to serve the small to mid-sized market. Dadgummit. So here's what we're going to do. See if this is going to work. It's coming. I just don't know why my interwebs don't want to work faster when I need it quicker. Can you hear me okay, by the way? Is it too loud, too low? Good?
It's a little loud.
Okay, good. It's better to be a little loud in my world.
I have to do a demonstration, build a demo org, and present on February 3rd. So that's why I was working on that.
You got to build a demo org for what? A job?
Yeah, a consulting job.
Nice. Don't build it where they can see it.
What do you mean?
Don't give it to them. Make sure that they can't steal it. Like that, there might be a way for them to get free labor. That's what I would do. I was smart.
They posted a video on YouTube with, it's like, pretend we're a client. These are the requirements. And
Gotcha. All right, so let's just jump in. I'll send you this so you have it when you need it. So we're going to create a field labeled department. I mean, we're gonna create a global pick list value set. So we're gonna click on home, and I just type in pick list. Pick list value set means it's a value set. It's a set of values you can use throughout the organization for any field that you want. And this one's going to be called department. And how we're going to use it, we're going to enter these values so that anybody that uses these values, we only have to manage the values in one place. Hit save. Oh, I got it. Okay, hang on a second now, Patrick. Hang on. There we go. So if you are a comment on this, if you work with us, then you get access to this file, but because that's workforce development. Thank you, Patrick, for reminding me. All right. We'll create this pick list on the position, and later we'll use it again on a different object. But for now, we're going to, so now we need to go back to the position object and add that department. We're going to add a pick list field for department. We're going to choose a pick list value. And if it seems like I'm going fast, it's because you could pause the video. This is department.
I can't pause this video.
Well, you can't, but you're here live. You get the benefit of stopping me and asking a question. So I'm going to use the pick.
This is
What's
a
that?
text field or pick list.
Say again? Yeah, we're doing a pick list field using the value we just created for departments because we only have one pick list value created. We'll click next. I'm making it visible and read only for all profiles except custom HR and system administrator. I don't know if that's true, but I'm guessing it's true. And then I'm going to add that to the position layout. And then I'm going to add a date field called date closed. On the position object, I'm going back to fields and relationships to add a date field called date closed.
All feels so familiar to me.
Right? And for field level security, it looks like it's only visible to the executive, HR, and system admin. Totally fine.
Okay, I may have just missed. I was opening up the file. Okay, so I got position.
So we're basically saying the date closed field is not visible to anybody but the executive, the HR, and the system admin profile. And now we're going to keep creating new fields. And these are all the fields we're going to create. Let's see. Nope, too many fields. Too much to put in there. So just take a stop on the screen and notice we're going to create a date field called date opened. All the same permission. So none of these fields are visible by any profile, but executives, HR, and system admin. So I'm going to call this date opened. Then I'm going to do number, duration. Should that be a number field? Length 3. I reckon something's going to have to make that happen. So it's going to call, do what it is. It's a number field called duration. Can't be more than 999 days, 0 decimal points. Put in all those. Job description. We're making that required. Ugh. So, what kind of text field is it? Text area, which means you have more characters, 255 characters. Making it required. This is a good thing to note again. When you make it required, it's visible and editable by all profiles. Only other thing that would control it is if they don't have access to it by their profile, they'll never get to that. But if they do, then they have it. Legacy position number is going to be a text field, 20 characters long. That's unique and not case sensitive. It's also an external ID. So we're going to do that again. Text field called legacy position number, 20 characters long, unique, case insensitive, external ID, same profiles. And then save and new.
That is not required. Okay.
It's not required. Nope. Text area long. It's a different, so it's a lot more characters. For education, how many lines are visible? 3.
I need a long text area for education.
Say again?
Why would you need a long text area for education?
Because it's a stupid exercise.
Oh, okay.
You would just put a file field in and let them upload their resume, and then you'd use something else. Last one is a start date field. And that's, oh, we're going to add a status field next. Yay. It'll be a pick list field. This time we're going to enter the values separately, and we're not going to use a pick list value that's global. We're doing it by the field alone. So it means you got to manage it on this field alone. Oh, anything we need on that one. Da, 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 da. All right, same people will get to see it. Executive, HR, admin. I think there's another field. All right, we're gonna create.
We have a bunch of pick lists. There's a bunch of pick lists to create.
Oh yeah, nice. Okay, so all these other pick list fields we're gonna create. We have a substatus field. Notice what we're doing. We're controlling field visibility and editability by profile, like we're supposed to. Location. Adding in all these fields. So again, you get a sense of it, right? Same profiles occur. Priority. Lots and lots of fun. Tedious work. Thank gosh I only do it during class.
Double the fun the second time you do it.
What's that?
Double the fun the second time you do it.
Yeah, right? Do another one. Again, this is customizing your company's data. Type. Full-time, part-time, temp. Same profiles at the visibility, executive HR. Pay grade. Whee! That's going to be a fun one. Definitely going to use the, the other values, the field dependencies next. Here we go. This is going to be fun because this won't cut and paste really well.
No, I think I typed it manually before.
What? It's ridiculous. See, cutting and pasting. We already did the department, so I don't need to do it. So department, though, I need to fix that. Let me hit save. I'm going to check my field level security on this. Yep, I made it wrong. Remember, I created it because I knew we needed to, so I just did it. Now, we're going to create some dependent pick list values. So we're going to create some field dependencies. So your department determines your pay grade. Right?
Mm-hmm.
All right, that makes sense. Are you done? You ready to go? I know I'm going fast, but you can watch it later.
Yeah, I think I got all the.
This all should be pretty easy for you. By the way, Saturday we finished all the curriculum, and I skipped the report section. And the reason I did that is I'm pretty good at report section already. I've done that class a lot, so I didn't want to practice it. But if you are watching this video and you're like mad that we're already doing exercises because we didn't do the reports and dashboards, I have videos on reports and dashboards. Send me an email and I will set you up to watch that since you've given me the help of putting in there. So now we're going to create some field dependencies. And if I remember correctly, department and pay grade. So department and pay grade. So it looks like my engineering department has all the ENG ones. It's going to include those. The IT.
Just a second here. I've only done this once before, and I remember I got a little bit confused.
Sure.
So we just go under the column that we want to.
Right. If they choose the controlling pick list value, what are their options for the dependent pick list value? That's all you're doing.
And
like
after
sales,
we select it, we click include.
If you highlight them and they're purple, you got to click include. If they're yellow and you highlight them and they're bold, you could click exclude. Or you could go clickety click, clickety click, clickety click, clickety click.
And do.
So the idea is for each controlling field they select, you're limiting the options they can select on the next set of values. So engineering is going to be ENGs, IT is going to be ITs, finance is going to be accounting, support is S, and sales is C for commission, the levels. And then when you're done, you just click save. For this one, for status and substatus, we'll create a new dependency. Status controls the substatus. And so new can only be pending. Open could be, if it's open, you can only choose approved. And closed is going to be not approved, filled, or canceled. All 5 values in the dependent field are usable, but only at certain times in the process. Click save. And we're going to add a field called Social Security number on the candidate object. So now we got to switch objects. Are you good so far with the positions?
Yes.
All right. And then you guys that are watching the video, because you're not here with us live, you should have been here with us live if you had a question. But if you didn't, put it in the comments. I will get it. Let me go to my candidate object. I'm going to add a new field. This one's going to be an encrypted field. Why? Because it's a sensitive number, so we want to double dog dare you to see it. So text encrypted. Called social security number. Be nine digits. We're going to go 11 with the bull crap in the middle. All right. Mask type. Last 4 characters clear. Maybe that's it. Oh, mask type social security number. Wow. Okay. I didn't even look at that. Okay. Mask character. How do you want to mask it? With an X.
Not required, right?
What's that?
This is not required.
No, I wouldn't require it. No, because you wouldn't know it yet. Like you may not know it when you first meet them, right? You know, a weird recruiter will ask you for your social security number right off the bat without a completed 4 rounds of interviews. And, you know, like you don't need to share your social security number until the very end. Everything else could be a scam.
I was filling out an application on some university website and wanted all kinds of nonsense. I'm like, oh,
I don't trust people who ask my social security number before they actually need it.
Yeah, that's what the W-9 is for.
Exactly. All right, let's see if we can add all the new fields. So we're going to create a position. La 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 la. We don't have tab yet. What?
Did we miss something?
Yes. What did I miss?
We didn't add the tab to any layout, did we?
What's that?
We didn't add the tab to any layout, did we? Our profile?
That shouldn't matter. Let me just check. So it might not have created a Lightning record page. So let's just create a Lightning record page. I'm gonna do header and right, header and left, header and right. Yeah, why not? Header and right. I like that one. Let's just put one together, right? We're freaking no data. Okay, fine. So I'm gonna put a highlights panel up top. I don't want all that. I'm going to create a related list quick link right under it because I like that. I'm going to add a tab section here in the middle. Instead of related, I'm going to put details. Oh no, I could have just details first. And then I'm going to put news. And then I'm going to put
I just redid my tab.
what did you do?
I deleted it, created a new one, and just did default on.
Oh, really? Is that all that happened?
Yeah.
Maybe I didn't put default on for my.
Yeah, I think we must have missed our profile or whatever. I just left it on.
Well, I'm going to try to see if there's a difference.
Maybe we have the wrong profile.
Maybe.
I left all those on too.
Yeah. I'm going to leave sales on just so I can see it. And then I think we're about to be at about, we might end with this one. There it is. There's positions. I'm going to create a new position. A lot of fields, a lot of stuff. Tap dancer. Apartment. Sales. Is it?
Yeah. Date open today. Oh, there it is. Okay. Description is tap, tap, tap all day long.
Priority high. Oh, did we do a priority? I don't know if we did a priority. Did we? Yeah, we did. Priority high. Location, New York. Type, full-time, part-time, doesn't really matter. Pay grade, C300. That's it. Tap dancer. And voila. Let's add a candidate record. There it is. See the last 4 digits. Life is good. All right. So I think that's going to do it for today. I think we've been at it. Let me see where my little timer is. Yeah, I've been at it for over an hour. I got a lockdown. I've been at it all day since really 8 o'clock this morning. So I'll see if we make it every day, but this is what we made it through exercise 2-2, right? So we made it all the way through 2-2. We'll pick up tomorrow at 2-3. If you want to keep motoring, Patrick, you can move ahead. And if you find any exercises for me in that document that I shared with you, if you would put any trailhead links next to the exercises, if you find them, if you feel like making that kind of matchup to see if there's any difference or not, that's great. If not, the YouTubers will do it.
The closest one I found, I gave you that link. It's not exact. I mean, it's
right.
It's basically the same. You're creating a similar app, so it's very similar activities, but they're not the same as these.
Right on. So for me, this is where we'll start. Comment.
Everybody's missing the funnest day.
Right? Yeah, all the fun stuff. So I got to start tomorrow. I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much, Patrick, for being here. And we'll go from there. 100 days of learning. Thanks, Patrick.
Thank you.